swear I blinked for 1 second and completely missed the fact that we literally already have the 7-star Venom the Duck relic in the game. Like, bro, I genuinely thought this thing was still coming soon. But yeah, it's here, it's real, and it is crazy. So let me show you what's going on, because this relic is actually nuts. The relic basically fixes Venom the Duck. Before we jump into the actual video, I gotta tell you, if you've been thinking about checking out Raid Shadow Legends, or maybe starting a fresh account, this is the perfect time to do it. Just use my special link down in the description. You'll start off strong with Elenaril as your sign-up legendary. And if you use the promo code Desert Queen, you'll also get 2 Hanarak, another crazy legendary champion, completely free. And that's not all. They've even tossed in some awesome epic champions as you level up. So seriously, what are you waiting for? Go grab Raid using the link below, jump in, and support the channel. Alright, now, let's get into the video. Alright, so here's the deal in the simplest way possible. You start the fight with any 2 buffs you want. Not random, not RNG. You choose. Like straight up, build your own duck energy. I picked Precision plus Fury because, let's be real, nothing punches harder than those 2. Power gain is cute, but Fury plus Precision is the actual juice. Every time you activate the striker, boom, all buffs in your bank activate instantly. No SP2, SP3 dance. No painful ramp up, no waiting for the stars to align. Just press the striker and boom, boom, ramp, damage, everything. But there's one catch. You can only store 6 buffs in the bank now. That's the trade-off. Honestly, it's a fair deal, because the speed you gain is worth so much more than the extra couple buffs you lose. And when you actually play, bro, the very first fight in the showcase was like 41 seconds, with a rank 2 7-star, not rank 4. And after he fully ramps, you start fights with 8 buffs instantly because the relic dumps extra ones on you when you pop it. It's stupid, in a good way. SP2 crits? Toxic armor? Insane. This does not feel like the same Venom the Duck. He feels like a completely different champion, in the best possible way. He's actually fun. Now, you know how his old ramp-up was literal torture? Like the 2-minute first fight, even if the enemy has 5k health type torture? Gone. Deleted. Now you walk in, choose your buffs, pop the striker, and you're cooking immediately. It genuinely fixes his biggest pain point. And since modern story quests always buff relics anyway, it just makes him feel even nicer. It's like Venom the Duck drank an energy drink, went to therapy, and decided to turn his life around. Is he meta now? Not really. He still doesn't have that insane utility you'd need for Battleground/Zola meta. But, and this is a big but, for questing, he's low-key amazing now. Smooth, fast, consistent, no RNG, and very satisfying gameplay. This is the version of Venom the Duck we should have had when 7 stars dropped. He was mega hyped when he released in 2018. Then he dropped off hard once the game power crept past him. Then he became the ultimate 7-star meme. Then Brian Grant's Necropolis run made him a legend again. And now, he's actually good again, through an event tied to Brian Grant. That's poetic. Also, yes, the title was V Formation. Certified BG Enjoyer badge right there. And look, Howard the Duck is still the better duck. Let's keep it real. Howard is like top 5 tech easy. He's a monster. But Venom the Duck? He's finally joining him in the actually worth ranking club. 2 good ducks, happy holiday season. Final thoughts. Venom the Duck right now is way faster, way smoother, way less RNG garbage, way more fun, actually worth using again. I'm honestly shocked how good this relic made him. This might be one of the best mini buff events we've gotten. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to grab Raid Shadow Legends using the link below. It really helps the channel out. Anyway, tell me your thoughts. Is this the Venom the Duck comeback we needed, or are you still sticking with Howard the deity? Drop it in the comments. I'll be reading everything. I'll see you in the next one. If you want,